This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the evening time. Do you like morning or evening?
I prefer the evening because it's a time to relax after a long day. I enjoy unwinding with my family or doing something I like, such as reading or watching a show. The evening also feels more peaceful to me.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually spend my evenings having dinner with my family and catching up on how everyone's day went. After that, I might read, watch TV, or plan for the next day. Sometimes I take a short walk if the weather is nice.
What did you do in the evening when you were little? Why?
When I was little, I often played games or did homework in the evening. My parents would make sure we finished our studies before dinner. After that, we'd watch cartoons together, which was always a fun way to end the day.
Are there any differences between what you do in the evening now and what you did in the past?
Yes, there's a big difference. As a child, my evenings were more about playtime and homework, but now they're focused on relaxation and preparing for the next day. I also spend more time on hobbies or catching up on work when needed.
Do you prefer to spend your evening indoors or outdoors?
I usually prefer spending my evenings indoors because it's relaxing and comfortable after a busy day. However, if the weather is nice, I enjoy going outdoors for a walk or meeting friends at a park.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a place in your hometown that is different from others and you enjoy visiting with your friends or family. You should say where it is, what it looks like, why it is different from other places, and explain why you enjoy visiting it.
One of my favorite places to visit in my hometown with family and friends is a local botanical garden. It's located on the outskirts of the city, surrounded by trees and hills, which makes it feel peaceful and refreshing. This place stands out because of its unique combination of nature and creativity, offering both a relaxing environment and interactive activities. When you enter the garden, you're greeted by colorful flowers and well-maintained pathways. There's a section with rare plants and trees from different parts of the world, which is both educational and fascinating to explore. My favorite spot is the butterfly enclosure, where hundreds of butterflies fly freely, creating a magical atmosphere. It's the perfect place to take photos or simply enjoy the beauty of nature. What makes this place even more enjoyable is the variety of activities it offers. There's a picnic area where families can relax and share meals, and a small playground for children to play. For adults, there are guided tours that explain the history of the garden and the significance of its plants. During weekends, they sometimes organize outdoor yoga classes, which add to its charm. Every time I visit the botanical garden, I leave feeling refreshed and happy. It's a perfect escape from the busy city life, allowing me to spend quality time with loved ones while enjoying nature. This blend of relaxation and fun is why it's so special to me and different from other places in my hometown.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of the hometown. Why do people enjoy visiting unique places in their hometown?
People enjoy visiting unique places in their hometown because it gives them a sense of pride and connection to their community. These places often have cultural or historical significance, making them special and meaningful. They're also a great way to spend time with family or friends, creating lasting memories in a familiar setting.
How can local authorities promote interesting places in a city?
Local authorities can promote interesting places by organizing events, improving infrastructure, and advertising through social media. Providing guided tours or informational materials can also make these places more appealing. Offering discounts or free entry on special occasions can encourage more people to visit and appreciate these spots.
What are the differences between big cities and small cities?
Big cities usually have more facilities, such as shopping malls, entertainment options, and diverse cultural events. However, they can be crowded and fast paced. Small cities, on the other hand, are often quieter and more relaxing, with a stronger sense of community. While small cities may lack certain amenities, they usually offer cleaner air and a slower, more peaceful lifestyle.
Do you think people will visit their hometowns more or less in the future?
I think it depends on the person. With increased urbanization and job opportunities in big cities, some might visit less often. However, others may visit more, especially during holidays, as hometowns often provide a comforting sense of familiarity and relaxation. Improved transport systems might also make visiting easier.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.